These are my earnings after a week using this brand new method, absolutely free and worldwide method, where you just need to press on copy, press on paste, press on submit, and get paid. Now, let me show you how you can do that. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called Mangles. You can find the links of all the websites that we will use in this video down below in the description, so feel free to go to the description and save some time. Now, let's see what this website is about. As you can see here, juicy SEO tools you will love. We make SEO simple since 2014. So, this is a website which helps people who need better search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is one of the crucial things when it comes to owning a website, because good SEO with the right keywords helps your website rank higher on Google, and it will be shown much more when anyone searches on Google. But don't worry, you will not need to buy anything from this website, and you will not need to possess your own website, but we will combine this tool with Google, and it will earn money on autopilot. By the end of this video, I will give you some crucial tips on how to make this work insane, and you don't want to miss these tips, so make sure to stay with me through this video. Now, you can find more information about this website on their page right here, so go through it and explore the website if you want, but we will now go to step number 2. Step number 2 for you is to create an absolutely free account on this website. On this page you need to go to the top right corner, and you need to click on this button that says Start a 10-day free trial. It will then take you to this page where you need to fill out these required details in order to make an absolutely free account on this website. Here you need to enter your email, and then your password with its confirmation, and then just answer this optional question. Now, when we talk about all of this information, leave a comment down below, and let me know from which country you are coming from. In that way, I will be able to make more money-making methods that will be available in your country. Now, just make sure to not check this box, because you probably don't want to get spam emails and offers from this website. After that, just click here to confirm that you are not a robot, and then just click on this button that says Create My Mangles account. Congratulations, you have successfully created an absolutely free account on this website. When you log in, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. And these were the first 2 steps, now let's go to step number 3. Step number 3 for you is just to open Google. Now, when you have opened it, just leave it like that because we need to copy something first. You need to go back to Mangles and take a look at dashboard page. Now, look at this menu. Here you can see that there is a button called Affiliate Program. So, this website has an amazing affiliate program which will pay you 30% annually commission. And if you take a look at the pricing of this website, you can see that there are different plans that people can choose with this website. As you can see, here are plans for $26, $35, and $71. Here you can see that the most popular one is this plan for $35, and if you do the basic math, you will see that you will earn around $12 per month per one person. So, that is $12 per month just for one person who signs up on this website and chooses this plan. And if you manage to get 100 referrals, you will earn $1,200 just from this website, which is amazing. And these numbers are not unreal, because I will show you my secret traffic source which will allow you to get up to 500 referrals in your first month, so stay tuned for that and watch the video until the end. Now, to start with this you need first to take your affiliate link. You can do that by simply clicking on this affiliate program button right here, and after that just copy this link that you can see here. So just click on this little button to copy your link automatically, and that is it for now. Now, step number 4 for you is to go to this website called ShrinkMe. Here I will show you my first huge bonus tip. Now, as you can see here, shorten URLs and earn money, and you can earn up to $220 for 10,000 clicks. So this website will shorten your URL links for free, and you will earn money whenever someone clicks on your link. If you wonder how it is possible, well, when someone clicks on a shortened link from this website, the first thing that he will see is an advertisement, and then he will be redirected to the actual website. So, those advertisers are paying this website, and this website is splitting profits with its customers. Now, you need to make an absolutely free account on this website. You can do that simply by clicking on this register button. It will then take you to this page where you need to fill in all the required details. Here you need to enter your username, your email and your password with its confirmation. Then you need to check this box to confirm that you are not a robot, and after that you have to check this box too, to agree to their terms of use and privacy policy. When you finish with this, you can click on this register button. It will then take you to the dashboard that will look like this. Here you can track your earnings, clicks and results. Now, to shorten your affiliate link on this website you need to click on this button that says New Shorten Link. Here you need to enter your long affiliate link, and then you need to click on this shorten button. After just a couple of seconds, this website will give you your new shortened link which you use now. Now, we can head back to Google. Now, just think about who might be interested in better SEO, and who will be able to pay for that. Now, of course it has to be someone that has a website and someone that has money. From this strategy and from my previous experience, these are the small businesses. Now, you probably didn't know that there are millions of small businesses online that have websites like this one, and they are not well optimized, but if they were, they would grow their businesses 10 times faster and have 10 times more customers. The way you can find customers is to search for some job and then just add your location. For example, you can search for a dentist, Washington, or any other profession. Now, when you search for these businesses on Google, for example, you need to follow some rules. You have to skip the ads from the top of the page, and you have to skip the first 5 to 10 results, because these people have optimized websites, and they are doing a good job because they are ranked high in Google search. Instead of clicking on them, you need to find businesses that are ranked lower on Google. It is best to go with the businesses that are on the second or the third page here. Of course, you can do this with any other place, and you don't have to search for dentists from Washington. You can search for some other professions in other places like New York, Louisiana, or even UK, Australia, and cities inside them. Now, I will choose this business for example. As you can see, this website is not looking very well, and it does not have a good title, images, and text. On their website you just need to find a contact email that will help you to contact them. I have found their right here, and now you just need to copy this email. Now, you need to go to your email service like Gmail, and here you need to send them an email that will look like this. You need to write something like, Dear Sir or Madam, I have found out that you have a dental business, and I have found you on Google. I have seen that you are not ranked on the first page, and I just wanted to tell you that you are missing a lot of potential there, and that you can fix it easily. Then you just leave your referral link here and repeat this process as many times as you want, and you will start getting new customers every day. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. See you in the next video.